I think it's so cool to think that somebody used to live here in the middle of these woods. It's crazy. I've driven along the road countless times and I've always saw these lay-bys on the side of the road and saw some little paths coming off them and always wondered where they lead to. Obviously to this, it's magical. I love it. You enjoying it, doggo? Lots of new sights and smells for him, that's for sure. Ooh. Oh, some steps there. Oh, I think that. Let's go and check it out. Bit of a side quest. Just need to wait for the dog. Are you done? Come on. No, up here, up here. Come on, scramble. That's it, good boy. I want to check this out. Oh wait, no, it's a path. Oh, look at this. Oh God, I love it. It's an ancient path. Right, blue, should we do the... I can't remember what the blue trail looked like. Let's go this way, see where we get to. Oh look, we've got another side quest. Oh God, it just keeps going up. Ooh. We'll go in there. Oh, I am intrigued. Come this way. Sorry, I can't resist. I know it's steps and I'll be puffing and panting, but... Oh, got that steep as well. I just love seeing really old things like this, like steps been put in, like by who, for what purpose, where did they lead? Gets my imagination going. It's very cool though. Oh God, I'm going to be knackered. Oh, I forgot to do my workout. Dog. 3, 2, 1. Go. Looks like I haven't exercised yet. I think we are literally just spiraling our way to the top of this mountain or hill. It's a really hot day as well. Sorry. Oh, this is giving me massive Uncharted vibes, which is one of my favourite games. Very like Tomb Raider-esque path to find the hidden vault in the side of a Welsh mountain. God, it just keeps going. I'm probably gonna have to come down this way as well. What the? Excuse my language. Massive wall. What is that? Oh, now it's giving like, what's that film? The Village. Is it a viewpoint? Whoa! Oh my God. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, quite the view. So we'll go back down that way. I don't want to get too, oh, there's a bench. Oh, a cracking view. Look at this. How safe is this? Literally plank on some rocks. Do you want some water? A bit more. Quick, 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 quick. Yeah, come on. We can do it if it just goes slowly. I'll say that. Oh God, I don't. Oh, it's a. Do you want to go first, mister? Go on then. Good boy. Just don't hoik me down with you, please. Ooh. This is so cool. There's so many trails. Ooh. Wow. I'd love to find out what that ruin was at the start of the trail, the old house. Yeah, I might do a bit of digging. I love things like that. Researching, seeing old buildings that are now in ruins and what they once were, once upon a time. What kind of people lived there. There was a cottage in St Fagans in Cardiff, a museum. Oh, we're back at the path. A museum, and it was literally fantastic museum if you get the opportunity to go. They save buildings from demolition and literally take them down brick by brick and rebuild them at the museum. Really amazing project. They're doing great work. And there was one of the houses that they had rebuilt, stone cottage, literally with one room. And they said a family of 6 lived there, which is just crazy. The maid, or the babysitter, the maid, nanny. The nanny would sleep in the children's bed with them. Which way are we going? The sound of the road is less so here. Can't really hear it. Oh, that's the train station, the train line up there. And that, from the colours, looks like the Welsh steam train. I forgot what it's called. Oh, no internet. Great. Ooh, 172 heartbeats per minute. That is high. I think, let's see what's around this corner. But I do think we will need to turn around. I mean, I could just scramble down. Don't really want to. I'll follow the path, I could get hurt. Oh, my teeth ache. I don't know if anybody else has Invisalign, but when I'm exercising, because I've got this literal plastic shield covering my teeth, I don't know why, but it just makes all of my teeth ache. Vibration. Ooh, 400 calories. Fantastic. I hope that's not for the whole day, because that would be quite tragic. What are you doing? Come on. We need to find a left turning. Find a left turning and then find the car. And then we can go and have a lovely ice cold pint at the pub. I think it feels more isolated because on a hot summer Saturday afternoon in North Wales, it's tourist season, and I've not seen another person on this trail at all, although there was a car parked up in the lay-by, but they could just be chilling out in the car. Oh, there's our thing. Oh, that's where we came down. So let's try. Is that where we came down? Yeah, it's got to be. So I think we came up further down here from a. Oh, is that our? That's our path, I think. Ooh, steps. Ah, we're here. Oh, doggo knows the way. Oh, look at him dragging me. Yay, we're back at our cottage that was never really a cottage. It's just a brick wall. And I was being hopeful. Ah, we're back on the trail. Should we carry on doing that route? Or should we go back to the car? Yeah, come on, let's get some more cacao burnt. I'm gonna have to take my brace out. Ah. Oh God. Teeth, freedom. Oh, we have a divergence. A fork in the road. Ooh, fly in my eye. Another divergence. Let's fork off. Oh, why is this so boggy? Oh, I see the road. Oh, we are. Is this us? I don't know. Is that the lorry that was there, or is that a coach? I don't think that's us, Biggs. Oh no, of course it's not, because there's no... Our lay-by has a big grass area separating it from the road. Ooh. Where are we? Oh, it's a very strangely secretive picnic bench up here. Please go over. Oh no. Oh, you're not clever, are you? It's okay though, because I love you very much. Here you go. Peculiar place for a picnic table. I doubt anybody would even know that that's there. Oh, I think this is our lay-by. I could be wrong. And oh no, yes it is. There is the white lorry. Ah, we did it. It's desperate to go. Get me to the pub. Get in the chopper. Dog owners, please be responsible. If there's no poo bin, take it home with you. I will put it in the back though, because it's gonna stink. Oh, where do I want to put it? Oh, yes. There you go. Come on. Is that it? Gosh, I'm very hot. Is that okay with the aircon on, or do you want aircon or do you want windows? It's probably going to get more coldness with aircon. Let me tilt that down for you a little bit, mister. And there you go, is that... Is that a space down there? Can't tell, but we'll give it a bloody good go. No, yes. Good. Hello, have a pint of Wrexham lager, please. Sorry. Come on. God, you naughty boy. Yeah, should we sit right here? No, f*** it, I need a table. Too much on show here. Hey.